Hi, I'm Frank Marino, Chief Marketing Officer at Entersekt. Fraud losses from scams have surged, with consumers facing over $1 trillion in losses last year alone. The prevalence of phishing, social engineering, real-time and authorized payment fraud point to a digital banking system in chaos. Traditional financial fraud solutions are ineffective, operating in silos and lacking data integration, which expose vulnerabilities for scammers to exploit. The reality is, fraud isn't isolated. It's a systemic threat that can fracture customer trust and tarnish your brand. Every successful scam fuels customer churn and drains deposits, and inefficient operations compound the problem. There's no one silver bullet solution. The most effective defense is a holistic scam prevention solution that breaks down silos, slashes investigation and resolution times, and restores operational efficiency. Entersekt offers advanced scam detection and prevention that's tailored to the risk, the channel, and the individual user, putting an end to disruptive experiences. By combining more advanced threat signals with risk monitoring and context-aware authentication, the right level of security can be applied at the right time. At Entersekt, we embed innovation and trust into every interaction. We don't just outpace fraudsters, we're defining the future of friction-free digital banking security. Build trust, retain customers, and protect your bottom line with Entersekt's advanced scam prevention solution. Learn more at entersekt.com.